Now see the third generation. I hope second generation is clear to everyone. Let's see the third one. Now the third generation year was 1965 to 1980. अभी यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? The transistors which was there, it got replaced by IC. Can you see the diagram of IC on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So those transistors got completely replaced by these circuits called as IC. तो यहाँ पे जो size था computer का, that got reduced, and now you can see this type of computers got introduced, which was much smaller in size. Okay. Compared to the earlier computers, this particular computer was smaller in size, and these computers were capable of performing very important tasks. अब वो 3 important tasks कौन से हैं वो मैं अभी chat box में लिखूंगी. You have to understand. एक तो है multi programming. Okay, multi programming. First one is multi programming. Second one is spooling. Third one is time sharing. So these computers were capable of performing these 3 things: multi-programming, spooling and time sharing. अब ये 3 बड़े-बड़े टास्क ये कंप्यूटर क्यों परफॉर्म कर पा रहा था? Because here this generation got introduced to operating system. तो पहला ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम यहाँ पे डेवलप हुआ था. That was known as OS 360. Maitri madam, let's move to the next slide.
Ma'am, can you repeat the name?
Yes, I will repeat. Just write down the year, 1965 to 80. Year was 1965 to 80. Okay, so this generation marked the beginning of operating system. तो सबसे first operating system जो आया था, you can see on the screen also, that was known as OS 360. So this was the operating system which was launched in third generation. Okay, and यहाँ पे they started developing languages also. Languages जैसे C programming, तुम लोग C programming सीख रहे हो ना अभी? So C programming, such type of languages started developing in this era. And these computers were also having memory. Since there was memory in this computer, it was capable of performing 3 important tasks which I told you. Which 3 tasks I told you? Multi-programming, spooling,
Spooling
and
and time sharing.
Yes, first one multi-programming, second one spooling, third one time sharing. So memory की वजह से ये 3 काम बहुत easily होने लगा. Now what is multi-programming? Yes, students, what do you understand by the word multi-programming? Write down in the chat box what is multi-programming.
Can perform the many tasks together.
Yes.
Ma'am, simultaneously performing different programs.
Yes. Yes. So there is only one processor. So एक ही processor इतने सारे काम कैसे कर लेता है? That is possible because it keeps on switching. एक प्रोग्राम से दूसरे प्रोग्राम में फटाफट स्विच कर लेता है. So it switches very quickly. So that is why we feel as if it is performing many programs simultaneously. अभी तुम लोग यहाँ से स्विच होके मेल्स पे चले जाओगे, वहाँ से स्विच होके यूट्यूब पे चले जाओगे, वहाँ से स्विच होके you will go on some folder. So that switching is taking place very fast. And that is why we feel that computer is performing multiple programs simultaneously. Okay, so third generation computers were able to perform multiple programs simultaneously. Second one was spooling. Now what is this word spooling? Anybody can just try explaining what is spooling? कभी ये word सुना है?
No.
नहीं सुना है spooling?
No, ma'am.
Okay, spooling means in a line, in a queue. Suppose if you want to enter inside the bus, how you will enter? You will enter in a queue one by one. The one person who is standing first, he will go first. Second one will go second. तो स्पूलिंग का कंसेप्ट आ गया थर्ड जनरेशन में. अभी स्पूलिंग क्या होता है? सपोज देयर आर 5 to 6 people who want to do printing. 5 to 6 people want to do print और सबने प्रिंट कमांड प्रिंट कर दिया. तो किसका प्रिंट पहले निकलेगा? There are 5 people who has pressed on print command. So whose printout will come first?
First person का.
The
No.
one who clicked it first.
Yes. So just
The first.
time के yes, based on the time, these print command will go inside a directory called as spool directory. तो लाइन से ये कमांड कंप्यूटर के अंदर स्टोर हो जाएंगे. A, B, C जिसने भी पहले प्रिंट कमांड प्रेस किया उसके हिसाब से they will get queued. Queued means they will stand in line inside the system and computer will take this program one by one and it will give the printing. But we will feel that अरे अपना काम हो गया. We will get that illusion, okay, we have done with it, we got the printout in our hand. So that is possible because of spooling. So what does the spooling do? It makes a queue of all the program which you want to run so that the computer can take one program and run it quickly. Is this thing clear? Spooling means what? Spooling का मतलब बोला है लाइन लगा के रखना प्रोग्राम का so that एक एक प्रोग्राम कंप्यूटर फेच करके रन कर सके. Okay, last one was time sharing. Yes, so one program will take the entire time of the CPU is not right. CPU को पूरा टाइम एक ही प्रोग्राम ने ब्लॉक करके रखा है, that is not correct. So in this generation they came up with a system of time sharing in which all programs were getting some or the other time, some amount of time with the CPU. अभी CPU के साथ टाइम क्यों चाहिए? Why do we need all program to spend some time with the CPU? Because whatever things happens inside your computer, all that thing is run by the processor or by the CPU. Processor runs each and everything inside your computer. So if you're writing something, that is because of processor. If you're clicking some photo, that is because of processor. So all these programs need processor for some or the other time. So that is why they came up with this concept of time sharing in which each program was getting some amount of time with the processor so that they can complete their job. They can complete their task.
Again.
Yes, what is your name?
Aniket.
Yes, Aniket. So we were talking about what? We were talking about third generation. Yes, can you just name 3 functions which this third generation performs, Aniket?
Programming, spooling, and time sharing.
Yes, so multi-programming means what? Multiple programs can be run simultaneously, isn't it? वो simultaneously कैसे run होता है? By switching. Your processor switches from one program to the other program very fast. Okay? In microseconds, it keeps on switching. Second one was spooling. Spooling का मतलब क्या होता है?
In queue.
Yes, in queue. तो लाइन लगा के रखो प्रोग्राम का और एक एक करके प्रोसेसर एक एक प्रोग्राम को रन करेगा. Third one was time sharing. Time sharing means what? All programs should get some amount of time with the processor for completing their work. Okay? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes. So I hope this is clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. ओमकार ने टाइम शेयरिंग का डेफिनेशन कहीं से निकाला है. Yes, good. Okay. So we will take one poll now. Let's go to the next slide.
Can you see the poll? It is not in the format, no?
Okay, so can you see? I have there is a question on the screen. Try to answer that question.
Third generation.
Yes, write down in the chat. Write down in the chat box, students. Yes, you can write down the year also of third generation.